Hey beautiful people, Beyoncé may have done her thing, so let's try out this Cécred Hair Care line. It's officially wash day and I'm going to be trying out the Cecred Double Cleansing Kit. Now this comes with 3 products, a clarifying shampoo, a hydrating shampoo, and also a moisturizing deep conditioner. So this is my old braid out that was once a bun to a braid out, and it has lots of product buildup. So I am just wetting my hair, prepping it to go in with the first product in this double cleansing kit, which is the clarifying shampoo, which also acts as a scalp scrub. So this also combines a balance of exfoliants, fermented purple willow bark, tea tree oil, and this helps remove buildup and residue from your hair and scalp. And I love that because whenever I have a style that went from one style to another, there tends to be lots of product buildup. And when you want to have a successful next style, you want to make sure your hair is rid of any product buildup. So I've actually focused this on the scalp areas, and you can see me kind of draw a line with the shampoo. And also, if you're someone who likes to pile on edge control throughout your hairstyles, I definitely focus this clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub around the perimeter and edges of my hair. Now, as you can see, I didn't really go down the hair shaft too much, as it will be clarified as the shampoo rinses down. But for the main part of this clarifying and scalp scrub, I wanted to make sure I focus it on my scalp. Now, because I like to shampoo twice, the second shampoo I'm going in with is the hydrating shampoo. And this is infused with hyaluronic acid to leave the hair hydrated. Now, with this shampoo, I'm going to be focusing it on the scalp and throughout my hair as well. One thing I can say from the clarifying shampoo, it definitely left my hair squeaky, which means it definitely went in and removed a lot of that buildup, which I love. So this second shampoo, just to make sure anything that is left over is totally out. And one thing I can say is from a lot of the previous reviews, I've been seeing that the clarifying shampoo didn't get as sudsy for people. It got pretty sudsy for me, but this hydrating shampoo is super sudsy, which I love. And both of these products actually don't have a very high fragrance. It's a pretty faint fragrance, but it does smell really, really good. Now, after I rinse out that shampoo, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing deep conditioner next. Now, you know this is the most important part of wash day, especially if you are a curly girl or if you're someone who has heat-stressed hair or color treated hair. In my case, I just dyed my hair back jet black, so I've been doing a lot of deep conditioning. So this is the ultra rich formula that is infused with their African oil blend and shea butter to moisturize, soften, and improve manageability. This deep conditioner also has squalene to seal the cuticle, antioxidant rich hyssop extract to support shine, and hyaluronic acid to help retain the moisture of the hair. This deep conditioner is also formulated without silicones, without SLS, SLES, without phthalates, and without parabens, so that's really good. Now, I'm just taking this deep conditioner and I'm making sure to detangle my hair at the same time, which it did a pretty good job being very manageable as I was detangling my hair. I love doing this process whenever I am showering. So in this case, it also recommends that you put on a cap and use heat with this deep conditioner. Now, one thing I do when I'm in a shower, my showers are always very hot and steamy. So I'll just pretty much pin my hair up and have a shower cap going as I continue to shower. So all that heat and steam is helping the deep conditioner penetrate throughout my hair. Now, in my opinion, I am going to have to say that this deep conditioner is just okay. If I could give it a rating on a scale 1 to 10, I would give it a 6. I have had better deep conditioners or more moisturizing deep conditioners in the past. So in this case, I feel like the overall double cleansing kit was a pretty enjoyable experience. I will have to say that I did love the clarifying shampoo and the aspect of it being a scalp exfoliant as well. So for that, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. And then for the hydrating shampoo, enjoyed that as well, 8 out of 10. So overall, I did enjoy this double cleansing kit. Now, this is the travel size products. That's why I did that, because I just wanted to give it a try. Now, I will be purchasing the clarifying shampoo in its full size because that is an amazing product. So this is my hair after I rinsed out that deep conditioner. It is kind of like damp in the scalp area. So, I mean, you know, I love that it left my hair blank enough to have a successful braid out in my next hairstyle, which I also used the Cécred Hair Care line for. So make sure you guys check that out in my next video. But let me know what products you've used in the Cécred Hair Care line and what your favorite products are. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.